you and I think about the brand. The brand is the image.
If you follow the sun, the shadow will always follow you. What you're trying to do is the sun.
Medical tourism is not new to most of you because you've been doing it for the most part.
Incidentally, our first core value talaga in Velo is honesty and integrity.
Buhay! With Velo, we're now paperless. So we have system in place and our packaging of our products was changed to a paper na.
We are using Hope in a Bottle. Ito po yung bottled water na binibigay po namin sa mga patients po namin. So, according to sa Hope in a Bottle, nakakatulong po kasi siya. So, part of it, nakakapag-improve po siya ng livelihood.
So what is a logical move? As logical sales strategy?
First of all, you don't make the patient feel that it's not available. So it's in the way you communicate it.